Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and we are at the last month on this planner. So I'm excited, and I went over to see if I had any kind of Christmas fabric because this is December, and I had this one and it looks kind of bright to me. So I don't know if I really want to put that there. Let's see. Let me get my December page out. Oh, oh, wait a minute. This is the special. This is the special thing. I have a special, I need to do something special here. So since it is December, I could do that. So there won't be a page over it. So, it looks like I even tore it kind of, I think I put it over here. I thought about putting some coffee on it, soaking it in some coffee to kind of tone it down. I'm kind of scared to do that, but I have more fabric, so I think I might try it and just see what happens. So I'm going to go get a bowl and put some coffee in it and soak it and see what happens, and then I will let you know. I'll show it to you. Okay, well, I put some coffee on it, and I don't know that you can really tell. So, I mean, I can always add distress ink to it. I think I'm debating which to put it on. I don't think it looks that great across from that because it's so bright. I could use it as a background on this page, that cloth, but I think I'm going to run distress ink on the edges because it doesn't, looks like that looks like I tore it. Short, and I could tear another piece of fabric, but I'm just going to use what I have. And so I'm going to put some of this on the edges so that wherever it shows, it'll look like I knew what I was doing. Okay. All right. So that, maybe I could do something with a doily. I wonder if my dog's wanting me to come downstairs. I think I'm going to cut it in fourths. Looks like there's more. Oh, there is. I've got two of them in there. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to cut this one. And then cut it in fourths. Oh, there's my microphone. Keep forgetting that. Okay, let's see what can I do with this. So if I've got one there, and one there, and one there, and one there. What does that look like? Do I need 4? Do I just need 2? Maybe just 2. Wow, okay, could it be that simple? Maybe. Okay, I'm going to go on and stick this fabric down. wonder, I don't want to mess these up, but I feel like they're so white. Let me get a piece of... All right, just a little bit less white. Let's see. Okay. Gosh, it looks kind of nice with just one. Do I need two? Oh boy, what did I do? Oh, there it is. Okay. I mean, there's a pocket, and then, I think I'll go ahead and do two. Okay. Good grief. Okay. All right, so there's that. So now I'm going over here on this page, which is this page. Well, I think I'm going to fall back on my distress ink. And some of these reds that I've not ever used because they're so crazy, maybe it's time for that. And I just hope I don't overdo it, but I guess it's just the edge, so it's fine, whatever it ends up being. And I've got this kind of snowflake looking thing. Boy, that doesn't do much, does it? Okay. And like I said, it barely shows. I think I'm going to go around the edge. And then I'll go around the edge with the usual vintage photo. I don't know that that red shows enough to even matter, really. Oh, well. Get a little bit of touch of the brown in here, too. Okay. All right. so there's that. We still have to come back and figure out that. And this is a financial page. Here's the December tab. And I'm going to come back to this, oops, not that red. Come back to this bright red and touch this page up because it just looks kind of pink. So that seems a little more like Christmas. And the same with the tab, I think. I was trying not to have one be red because it would stand out, but I think it's okay because it's December. So I'm going to go on and make it more red. Okay. I have a green handkerchief that I could cut up and use part of it. I think I'll do that. Okay, let me go get my fabric scissors. Thought I had my camera rolling, but I did not. So I cut a piece of red felt for this next piece, and I don't even know if I had this on film, so I'm gonna back up and just mention this in case I didn't. I used an old handkerchief of my friend's, grandma's that she gave me. She gave me like probably 50 of her old handkerchiefs. So I cut a piece out for this. So then I came over here and I decided I might try some red felt. And that doesn't look too bad. And I'm going to cut this black line off the bottom. I used a Sharpie to mark it. So I think if I put that and that, and I've got this lace here I keep wanting to use on something, and maybe I can glue this here like that. So it looks kind of cute, huh? Okay. All right, so let me Fabri-Tac. Get my Fabri-Tac to come out. Like that. And glue this felt down. This felt is super heavy, so I think I better put plenty of glue. I haven't tried this with felt. I'm guessing it works. Okay, so there's that, and that. So now I need to figure out the pockets for this. And I'm kind of thinking I just want a corner pocket on this. So I like this and I don't want to lose it. So I don't know how functional that is, but I'm thinking I'm just going to put one lacy pocket. I think we have so many pockets in this journal. If I needed it, I can always put things in another place if I needed to. I know that's not what it's for, but I just don't want to cover this up. Okay, well, so that was it. Now I have the back cover, and I have the very front, and then I have 2 signatures of journaling paper that I want to do, and the cover. So we have just a little bit more to go, but that signature is all done. And let's see these. Let's see, I think this goes in the middle. So when you consider how thick my journals usually are, this isn't too bad. Of course, I've still got a couple of signatures of journaling to put in. I think I'm going to do a shabby chic cover for it, just because I love shabby chic, and that's what I feel like doing. So I will have that figured out, hopefully. I think it's looking pretty good. Anyway, I'm going to stop and stop admiring my work. And thanks for watching. And I hope you liked it. Click the like button if you did. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.